Hi, it's John here from Speedy Brick, and it's happening. A while ago, I built this Ferrari MOC, a Ferrari F1 car. It's 24 scale, and I built this because I'd had such a great experience building the Alfa Romeo and the Red Bull from the BlockZone, and so I thought I could build a Ferrari version. And so I spent quite a lot of time kind of perfecting this, and I learned how to use the Stud.io software to design it digitally, and I created instructions and put them onto Rebrickable. And while I was doing that, I had a fantastic discussion with TheBlockZone, and they're going to make a parts pack for my MOC. So it's going to be available on their site, and you'll be able to buy it. And in this box, just arrived, are the parts for the MOC. So I'm going to be able to show you the parts and check out the quality and see what the quality is like, and give my stamp of approval to be able to put these onto the site. So I've got 2 bags. And hopefully it's all there. I'm going to bring out the instructions, the instructions that I wrote myself, and I'm going to build this car, and then we'll see what happens. So I'm all ready to go. I've got my computer here with my instructions on it, and I tried to make it really simple to follow. I've got a nice cover. I've got a bit of a story about the car. I've got my image of the digital image there, and then I've got the building instructions, and there's, I think it's 74 pages long. So we'll get started. I've got the original model that I made here as a kind of a reference and to check the quality and stuff. And now we've got the box from the BlockZone. So we can open that up and have a look at what's inside. So we've got two bags, and sort of the plan is to kind of look at the quality, make sure the instructions are kind of easy enough to follow, and see if I need to change anything in the instructions, and then have a look at what the end result is. So let's get organizing the parts and let's get building. So I've gone through all the parts and everything looks like it's there. Nothing, doesn't look like there's anything untoward with any of the parts. Everything looks like it's okay. There's one of these very long things which I'm going to have to cut down, which is okay. I'll just cut that to size. In Lego, you can buy different lengths of this, but this set has come like that. And I'm just going to go through and start building. So that's the model complete. I had to make sure I cut this to the right length, so that was okay. There's a bit of fiddling around with this piece here, and I just swapped it around, and it seemed to have a better clutching power on this piece, although it's still a little bit weak, and it's a bit fiddly. But once you've got the wheels on, of course, then you're not touching those anymore, so I kept knocking them off when I was building it. Overall, I think it's pretty good. The only thing I notice is there's a little bit of color variation in the red, which I'll talk to the BlockZone team about. But overall, I think it's pretty good, and I've still got to add the stickers. So that is all the stickers added, and there's actually 29 stickers that I created for this, including the 4 tires. There's quite a few stickers on the front here. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stickers on the front. On the nose, there's 4 stickers. A little sticker here on the side as well. And then on the side of the car, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. And then on the rear wing, there is 3 stickers. So they're all applied. There is a color variation, which I'm not that happy about on my own printout. But effectively, you'll get a sheet like this, which you can print out with the kind of standard vinyl paper, sticker paper. And I'm just using an Epson ET2650 printer, but you can use your own printer, so it should be fine. But I am also talking to a couple of companies about creating a decal sheet, mainly because of the tires. They're a real pain to cut out. I actually used a coin to cut around the inside and another coin to cut around the outside, and I'm still not happy with the result. As you can see, it's kind of iffy. But other than that, I'm really happy. So I'm now going to send off a note to the BlockZone and ask them to create the set, put it on the market. And hopefully you guys will like the set. You can buy the instructions on Rebrickable. I'll let you know about the decals if they get professionally made, or you can just print them out with the decal sheet. And happy building. And until next time, bye.